Hello everyone, welcome to Daiso Design Tutorials. Today we will learn how to make different types of seamless pattern out of only one vector. So this is the vector that I have created in the previous video. You can check out the link in the description box below. So for this I'll be needing a new file, create 6 inches to 6 inches artboard. I'll drag my vector here. I'll go to the layers and click on new, create layer. So I'll make a copy of this layer and paste it in my new layer and drag it to the artboard. You can make a different type of seams pattern like this. You can make again another copy, Control C and Control F, and drag it to the right side and towards bottom. So it will be like a shadow to it. You can change it color to light green. Here it is, and you can send it to back. So you can see there's a shadow. You can adjust. So I'll make copies. First of all, I'll group this and adjust it. Now I will make a copy and drag it towards the right side by clicking on the Shift and the Alt. I'll adjust the spaces in between. Again, I will make a copy. I think the shapes are a bit bigger, so I'll decrease the size. So the four elements that are coming on the edge of the artboard at the bottom side, I will copy them and paste it to the top side. For this detailed version, you can check my video in my channel that is how to create a seamless pattern in the Adobe Illustrator. So I'll copy this and paste it and go to transform, and in the y-axis I'll subtract 6 inches. So here it is. Only those which are coming on the edge of the artboard has to be done like this. So now I will recolor some of the apples, and I can achieve this kind of pattern. So I'll select this randomly. Okay, now I'll go to color guide. You can also go to window, color guide, and there it is, recolor artwork. Now you can see some of my elements have been changed to another color. So I will click on OK because I like this color. Now I will select another set of apples. And go to recolor artwork again. So by adjusting uh, these things, you can achieve another set of colors. So I have a beautiful apple pattern design here. Click on OK. So now what you have to do is make a, first of all, group this and make two squares, 6 by 6 inches, and align to artboard. Center the image and again make a copy of this and send it to back. Make sure that you are making two squares and one of the square will be used for clipping the pattern. Make clipping mask. For the detailed version, you can check out the video on my channel, that is how to create a seamless pattern. You can change the color of the background. Okay, now I will drag this to the swatches. First of all, I'll select this and go to Pathfinder and crop the elements and go to swatches and drag this. You can view your pattern here. See, it's so simple and you have achieved such a beautiful pattern out of this. You can view it. For this pattern, what I will be doing is take a new artboard and I'll drag again this apple to the center of the artboard, align this and increase its size. So this is the half drop repeat pattern. I've also made a video how to make a half drop repeat pattern. You can check out the video in my channel. So now I will go to object and go to transform, move, and this artboard is of 6 inches to 6 inches. So I will be taking 3 inches, 3 inches. It will automatically convert it to points and I will preview it and copy. So a copy has been made in the right bottom corner. Now again I will go to object, transform, move, and now I will subtract this horizontal position and see the preview. So as you can see, the position is in the left bottom corner and go to copy. Now again go to object, transform, move, and now I will subtract the vertical one, preview and copy, and in the last corner I will subtract both of them, the horizontal and the vertical position. So like this you have the apples in all the four corners. Now I can make this as a pattern, or I can also recolor these four apples and have this kind of a design. Or what you have to do is select this and go to recolor. This is the recolor option and you can change the colors. And for this recolor, I'm keeping the leaves of the same color. Okay, so you have so many beautiful pastel colors here. So what I will do next is I'll be making a square of 6 inches to 6 inches, and I will align it to the artboard and drag it to the center, and I will also make it none. So the square is there but we cannot see this. So I'll send this to the back. So now select all the images and group them, and also select all of them now, the layer and the apples, and go to swatches and drag them. You can also save this patterns to your library as an AI. So if you want to open a new file, you can have this swatch in your swatches panel. I'll name it as apple pattern and click on save. Now, if I make a new file of a landscape, I can have my swatches here. Click on this button and open swatch library, user define and apple pattern. So here you have your apple pattern. Now, if I make a rectangle, and click on this pattern, and you can also scale it according to your size. Go to object, go to transform and scale it. Decrease this, and here you go. You have such a beautiful pattern. If you don't like the size of the apple, you can also increase this, and like this. You can have your different types of pattern only from one vector. So that's it for today's tutorial, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye till then.